Hello students, how you are well and stay safe at your home. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, guest cycle. Guest cycle topic is from our unit 2 from Human Division Management. So let's start our today's topic, guest cycle. Actually, what is guest cycle? What the correct meaning of guest cycle using in our hotel industry, especially in our our front office department. Okay. The term guest cycle means all activities of a guest which is belong with our hotels. This activity start from his or her reservation or selection of a hotel to departures. Activity of a guest which is start from his or her selection of hotel or reservation to the last point is departure. It called guest cycle activities. Okay, this guest cycle generally classified in 4 points. The first is pre-arrival, second arrival, and third is occupancy, and fourth and last is departure. These 4 major points come in our guest cycle procedure. Now talk about pre-arrival. Okay, pre-arrival is first activity or first stage of guest cycle. In this stage, we complete our some legal formalities towards our guest or his activities. The first is choose a hotel and reservation. Pre-arrival means a guest who willing to stay in best and superior hotels. It is very hard to find a good hotel who is able and capable to provide best service, best staffing, best activities, good functioning, good cleaning, maintenance and good hygiene, and hotel is able to carry his or her request or complaint. After calculate these scenarios, a guest is select or choose a hotel. After choosing a hotel, guest finalize his or her reservation. This reservation is conducted by online, by through the website, by travel agent and telephonic or verbally. This type of method using for reservation. So these 2 points comes under pre-arrival stage. After pre-arrival stage, we will follow our arrival stage. This one arrival. In this arrival stage, first of all, arrival. What is arrival? Exactly what is arrival? The term arrival means a guest who came in the hotels and complete his or her all necessities regarding to documents. Now, okay, so this is the arrival process. Arrival process, I would like to repeat it again. Arrival means activity of guests who wish to come in our hotels and we host him or her. This is the arrival stage. Okay, and in this arrival stage we follow some topics and points. The first is doorman or porter. Doorman. Whenever guests come in our hotel, the doorman is responsible to assist him. He is able. He will open the door and greet the guest. Registration. Whenever guests come in our lobby, we will provide him or her a good sitting arrangement, and we will complete our registration process. This registration process is complete with hard and soft copy. After this registration, we will complete our third step, room assignment. Whenever a receptionist complete his registration process, he will able to provide room assignment. Receptionist is assigned a particular room with room number, and he assign the room to guest. After assignment of room, we will follow our next step. It is key and baggage handling. After assignment of room, receptionist, a receptionist with bellboy, he handles guest luggage and forward to his or her room. And receptionist is responsible to handling the key. This key may be manual or magnetic key. Okay, so we already complete our two points. First is pre-arrival and arrival. Now talk about our third point. Third point is occupancy. What is occupancy? Occupancy क्या होता है? What is occupancy? The term occupancy means a guest who is reserve his room and come in hotels, and he start to stay with or in his or her room. This situation called occupancy. Whenever a guest stay in a room, that room known as occupied room, and this situation is known as occupancy of particular room with particular guest. Now, in occupancy, we will learn about three subtopics. The first is currency exchange. Suppose we have a guest who is inbound, who belong to another countries, and he want to exchange his or her money in our Indian rupees. This in Indian rupees. So we will convert his currency in our currencies, means in our Indian currency. For currency exchange, here we have to follow a procedure. This process we will learn in our next unit. So this is the currency exchange. If we have a foreigner guest and he wish to exchange his currency in our Indian rupees, so we will help. The second is maintaining guest account. Time to time we will contact or call the guest or reminder the guest for his account detail. We will reminder him or her for deposit his cash because of maintaining his or her account. Mail mail information and telephone circulation. Whenever any guest is stay with us, we receive different types of mail information or telephone regarding to any work of a guest. during in this situation, we will forward or inform the guest for his receiving mail information or any calls. After mail information and telephone, the fourth sub point is transportation. In this transportation, we will learn about transportation. Transportation is very important part and it play a very important role for guest occupancy and guest staying. If any guest wish to visit our city and sightseeing, so we are able to provide him or her transportation facilities. Now, after occupancy, we will learn about departure stage or process. Departure process. What is departure? After staying of guest, the last process, the last stage of process is departure. Whenever guest wish to leave the hotel with rules, regulations and with settling the bill. This called guest departure process. In this process, we will explain about these three things. The first is baggage handling. Whenever guest inform us he wish to departure and leave the hotel, we will send our porter or bellboy in the room and he handle the guest luggage with luggage trolley and bring all luggage in our lobby. Whenever guest wish to arrange the transportation from hotel to railway station or hotel to airport, so it is our moral responsibilities and duties to provide him or her to transportation. This transportation facility will be on behalf of payment basis. After transportation, bill settlement and checkout. After luggage handling, guest come to the reception and he wish to settle his bill. The method of settling this bill is maybe manually or mechanism. He is able to pay by card and cash, online transaction. He can use the things he want to wish. After settling bill, he will be proceed for checkout. During checkout, we will fill a feedback form to guest and we want always positive feedback from guest side. Then after this feedback form, he is able to check out with our or his own transportation. So today we learn about guest cycle. In guest cycle, we explain 4 points: pre-arrival, arrival, occupancy, and departure. Students, hope it will be very useful for you. If you have any query, please feel to contact.